I would now request His Lordship, Honorable Sri Justice P.S. Narasimha, Judge, Supreme Court of India, to launch the AI services.
Artificial intelligence tools developed by the High Court for the state of Telangana for the use of judicial officers in the state is inaugurated by Honorable Shri Justice Pamidighantam Shri Narasimha Garu, Judge, Supreme Court of India. The artificial intelligence tools, originally developed by the team of National Informatics Center, New Delhi, are customized for the use of judicial officers in the state by the in-house NYC team, High Court for the state of Telangana. Artificial intelligence has rapidly become a part of everyday life, impacting how we work, communicate, make decisions, and access services. The High Court for the state of Telangana has decided to use AI tools for administration of justice. As part of this, the High Court, with the help of the in-house National Informatics Center, NIC, team, has developed artificial intelligence tools for the use of judicial officers in the state of Telangana. The High Court believes that these AI tools will help the judicial officers in the state in improving workflow, simplify their administrative tasks, reduce the dependency on human resources, and streamline the resources. The AI package has 3 tools for the use of the judicial officers and other users. The first tool, called Shruti, can convert speech to text. It takes dictation of the speech into text. This tool is useful for the judicial officers to record orders or judgments and convert them into text documents at their home office or any other place when the stenographer is not available to take down the dictation. This facility is also useful in recording evidences. The deposition of a party or witness can be recorded in its true sense and in its original language, preserving its originality and context.
For mentioned reasons, the findings recorded by the learned single judge to the extent that the appellant authorities have not empowered to decide such complicated questions of title and possession which are involved having regard to the pleas of the petitioners.
Telugu demo.
ట్రయల్ కోర్టులు సాక్ష్యాలను నమోదు చేయడం మరియు సాక్షుల యొక్క ప్రవర్తనను కూడా పరిశీలించడం వల్ల ప్రయోజనం కలిగి ఉంటాయి.
The resultant text files can be saved in PDF and doc formats, and the doc file can be edited for making changes or corrections. The second AI tool Saransh can summarize context of documents or judgments into precise paragraphs so that the users can get the gist of the content in no time. The summary of the judgment makes it easy for users to understand the gist of the document or judgment. There is an option for the users to get the summary in required number of sentences, viz. 5, 10, 15, etc. The users can download the resultant text as either doc file, PDF file for editing if required. 3. Panini. The third and final tool, Panini, can translate judgments or any other documents from English and few vernacular languages to other vernacular languages or English. This tool will help the users in converting the judgments to their native languages for better understanding. Users can translate judgments of the High Court to any vernacular language. User has to simply enter the case details like case type, case number, and year. The tool fetches the disposed judgment, and the same can be translated. The users can also upload their own documents and get them translated into the language of their choice. They can also download the document in doc or PDF format for editing if required. Thank you.